CyberLink PowerDirector one of the video editing softwares beginner friendly and asanso achapa system name CapCut ebetono Premiere Pro crabetono Filmora ebetono any most of the video editing software eboa ema o edit video omra onye video editor PowerDirector ni interface no etise Filmora very handy, very simple and a beginner friendly. Enti mebechira sanye ube install PowerDirector software now. So what download the PowerDirector free obitechsolution.com community ni more. Niabe ni say ube right click also. Now I click extract files. Now I click OK. Mepacho say uni WinRAR software na mepacho download DB. Enti kogogo ne search for WinRAR. So search download WinRAR. And as a WinRAR downloader, open your CyberLink way. No I click so. Afei edoba hasiya. No I click download. Download via double click so never install it. Inti se uni WinRAR ni biya. Ubedi kan add download WinRAR no. And sana obe extract file no. After se wa extract we no. Open your folders ni mi no. Send a media na mi no. The folder icon no I say yellow no. Eno na ubebi. No asanso ebi. Epacho se ebase ya right click ewo CyberLink PowerDirector neso. Ne click it run as administrator. Epacho se we need CyberLink PowerDirector na. Obe send a DM na yama ubi. Anase obe join Obitech Solution platform no. Ehono any software bi ebeboa ama wo video production na wo ye wo live production na wo ye wo video editing na wo ye no akoso no. Yedni nyina egu platform no so a okoho a no akọ download e free ho. Epacho so platform no so a hwe pro community ho no mo. Oba say link ni da ho na wa download. We ni kwanya befa so a oba join Obitech Solution community no. Inti so pesa wo join yen community na oba obitechsolution.com na wa click on login na wa hasene so login way. And I say oba click any of these VOD basic any VOD pro no. Baby actually say login to subscribe no na wa click so honomo. O click so a no wa click on create account. What do we ba sha say na what do email address e dia sha na wa bo password e dia sha no wa click on create account ne so. Enti sa oba click on Google icon yi so na I redirect you to your email na wetimi e dey create account successfully. So create account ni we check your email address nim na verify account no. So log in eba obitechsolution.com na aba main page ni so I mean the home page no. Baby I want you say upgrade to basic and upgrade to pro no. Oba click upgrade to pro ni so. Okay. Inti aha say no say no at a monthly basis. This up a monthly basis na ma na da he ya ni mo no. Opa say unya premium yearly. Here number platform so any update, any video, any link. Adie bi efa video production ho ebe post bia no wonsa ebe kan ewa platform ni mo for the entire year no. Na wa click was to say we yen see best from the monthly to the year no. Na emu die pese o go for no either the basic or the pro no. Na wa click upgrade ne so. But minya idea ni year mo no ka be upgrade to the pro no. Na just ho no wan like hwe with the basic no. Ebi anye bibia no sabeka ewo basic room ni mo ati ase. Okay, until we click upgrade to pro. Ebe redirect you to the payment system no. Na with the mobile money number, no wa select network neither MTN, Vodafone or say Airtel Tigo. The first time I will use the PayStack system no to make a payment if I try send a verification code at your call or phone so until phone number na we use no. I send the code at your call so no abo code no at your shame to verify the system. Okay, into pacho we are no it me continue and make the payment. We make payment in we are automatically no over redirected to the pro account. Okay, into say over community has here or click on the community now. Na fe aba pro mastermind in him. Say basic and so now subscribe ya no about basic room ni mo. Into say have basic room ni mo premium live production template na ye preset no enu ni easy worship our has say VMix 28 our has say ene enkai for in the pro mastermind and the same thing. Bebre na na ho we updated squeeze back download easy worship ne ade okay into Filmora no so ebe ho ahasei bi obetia download the free hasei bribia kire wadwen na wa type e de ato ho ebia obae no unhu link no ana bribisa obetimi a type say maybe please I need the Filmora setup bibisa the person o bia na ebe ya understandable bia no na wa click on send. Sa pesa wo hwe pro videos a yɛmfa ma social media na so na wo platform ne so a wo be click on the VOD Pro. So account no basic en so a wo be hu VOD basic na wa click so. Se o pro ni mu a wo be hu basic videos, wo be hu free videos na asan so hu pro videos. Okay, ni nyina available ho bitimi ahwe na wo sua nyama bebre e afa video production, VMix ani OBS ne enkaye nyina. Okay, so na se wo basic ni man so the same thing we hu free na we hu no basic. Right. Nti after say wa click run as administrator na wie no na wa be keyway say keyway be copy sa keyway say once you try say activation password select ni nyina make sure say wa selection no space bia embem so we ni say ya say it means to say space bebem nti makeza no enda 6 ne chi ana say 3 nenim na efa so beto other one no I mean last letter ne chi pepe send your media ye na wa click right also na wa click copy and I say o keyboard ne so no o don sabe mia control any C ne so na copy. Okay, we are sign ko click PowerDirector ne so down ho no mo tax bar na se no click so man sambra say na e paste e wa ha nti right click ha say na click paste and I say ube use control plus V e wo keyboard ne so afei we are click okay. Now I start to say, oh yeah, installation. If I chow no. One thing I will say we taking note and they say to be at the safer side, answer na obe extract file no, turn it off or antivirus no. Say okay search how I say na what type virus and threat protection we say. No I click it so. No I click it manage settings. Real time protection on say it on. Nti what the better off we mu nyina be on no turning it off. Why we are now cause start say we extract file no install it after say we install software in so we no obesan so aba virus and threat protection settings ni ma back nti emo refi say ubie virus and threat protection now obeko manage settings no nti on this page you know be scroll down no about exclusions no I click it so add or remove exclusion so no me yes click add an exclusion so na click folder my local disk C no me so na ebie program files the 86 one in chain no and I said the 64 one in chain obebie na fe wa hwehwe cyberlink we click so back on never click select folder right we no close antivirus no refresh your computer no na ebie CyberLink PowerDirector no ebie kama obe export video wunya watermark inti we ene kwanya befa so obe install PowerDirector video editing software no very handy, very friendly ebe bo pa eti aya no use yebehia obitechsolution.com community honomo na o question na obi ano wo de ato community no mu na wetumi aboa